Alright, use the given information to write a quadratic equation in vertex form. Again, gave you a vertex form right here. And we gave you your equation. To get to your A value, you got to find P to get to A with what we've given you. So, again, you don't necessarily have to draw these things, but we gave you a little crosshairs there, so, or coordinate blank, so you can plot things your best bet. So, vertex is at 0, 0. Directrix is at y equals -5, so down here at -5. Directrix is at y equals -5. Well, if my directrix is down 5, well, that means my focus is up 5. Okay, so therefore P equals 5. Cool. So A equals 1 over 4 times P. Therefore, A equals 1 over 4 times 5, which means A is 1 over 20. That's your A value. So, fill in your A, H, and K. What's the nice thing about this, the vertex is 0, 0, so my H and my K go away on these ones. But your A value is 1 over 20. So, Y equals 1 over 20x squared. Okay, this is not that, these aren't that heavy computational at all. It's just more, do you know what's going on? If you know what's going on, you're great. If you don't know what's going on, you're, well, up a creek without a paddle. Number 6, the directrix is at x equals -5, and the vertex is at 0, 0. Okay, so the directrix is at x equals -5. So that's over here. So let's see, the vertex is at 0, 0. The directrix is at x equals -5. That's a vertical line. So they went -5 for the directrix, which means they went +5 for the focus. Therefore, P equals 5. Right. And again, A equals 1 over 4P. Wow, we did the same numbers on both of them. That's okay. Whatever. You get the point. 4 times 5, which equals 1 over 20 yet again. The only difference is this time it is left to right. Okay? It's opening to the right. Another way of thinking of that, since my vertex is here and my focus is there, the parabola opens in the direction of the focus. So this time, the equation is x equals 1 over 20 y squared. It's actually the inverse of the other one, but we'll talk about that later on in the year. Last but not least, the vertex is at 2, 5, and the focus is at 3, 5. Okay, so let's just, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 2, 5, that's my vertex. My focus is at 3, 5. Right? Yeah. So we went 1 unit to the right in order to find that. So therefore, that's the positive direction. So P equals 1. And since it's going to the right, we're opening to the right. Therefore, it's going to be an x equals y squared, because it's opening up to the right and to the left. So, A equals 1 over 4P. P is 1. 4 times 1 is still 4. Therefore, A is 1/4. So, x equals 1/4 y. Now here we got a vertex this time. So don't forget your h. And don't forget your k. There's your equation. Cool. There we go. Let's do number 8.